Yesterday I added these 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter electrical plugs. The long post is the ground, that's the negative. The center post is the positive. And generally speaking, the wires extending from the battery, when you connect these, this is for the charging receptacle, as you can see right here. So you can see it's ready to be plugged in and charged now. You can see that. They're 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter plugs, and I added two, and I indicated them with green for go and red for, well, power, for the utility power. And I'll show you. So you can see how I've connected them. That's for the 48 volt for the drive power, and the other one is for the utility power, the 12 volt power, the red, green, and red. And so that way, incidentally, the 48 volt charger used the same receptacle. This same type of end, incidentally, it used the same type of plug in, which is the 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter plug. And that was, I was going to say, generally speaking, the wires coming from the battery, if they're dashes or lines, typically white lines or dash lines, any indicators on one of the wires, you typically indicates a positive line. That is usually the one unmarked wire is typically going to be the ground. So you can see how I marked them, and it's very effective as opposed to having to keep opening and closing. As you can see, as you saw all the wires, it's not a good deal to have to keep opening, closing. So I figured I'd add the charging receptacles with external. It also has the dust-proof plug, and you see the dust-proof plugs, I've indicated them with the green and the red. This is for the power, the 48 volt, and this is for the 12 volt. And there you go.